I own every single one of your programs. Obviously, I've been there in person multiple times. I mean, I think you can take the information, especially that you put out, and a lot of your information for free, and then the paid just takes it to a whole nother level, and you can take that, and as long as you put in your own individual work outside of that, it's amazing what you can accomplish and how quick it can happen, because you give like 3/4 of the ladder, I feel like. Like it'll get you up to the roof, you know,
Right.
but you still got to take the step on the roof to the last little bit of the ladder.
Right. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I agree with you 100%. It's the last thing I would want to do is have somebody dependent on me.
Yeah.
I want people out being able to depend on themselves, and we can get you there, but that's what we want to do. And like you said, being at the live events is really useful too. So.
I mean, the energy that you get from people, the energy that you get from you, it fuels everything.